What would you do if your doorbell rang all night but no one was there? This real story will haunt you. The Unanswered Doorbell, a Halloween nightmare. The sound of the doorbell echoed through my empty house like a banshee's wail. It was Halloween night, and I was alone because it was my ex's turn to take our kids, Lily and Ben, trick-or-treating. The custody agreement was part of the divorce proceedings. Though I found it hard, I was getting used to the echoing silence of our once lively home. When the doorbell rang, I hoped to see Lily and Ben, their faces lit up with joy and their bags heavy with candy. Instead, I found an empty porch. Puzzled, I closed the door, thinking it was some kids playing a prank. Subscribe to see the part 2.